If your Xbox Series X has one of the following issues, the power supply might be defective. Hi everyone, welcome to How Fix It. In this video guide, I'm going to show you how to replace the power supply in the Xbox Series X. To disassemble Xbox Series X, you will need the following tools: Torx T8 screwdriver, anti-static tweezers, plastic opening tools. I also recommend using a magnetic mat and laying out each screw step by step during the disassembly process. Throughout this repair, keep track of each screw and make sure it goes back exactly where it came from to avoid damaging your Xbox. Thanks to the magnetic base, the screws stay on the mat and you will not lose them. In the description, I left links where you can buy all the necessary repair tools. Also in the description, you can find a link to a video where I show you how to repair a water-damaged Xbox controller. I hope your gamepad is okay, but if that happens, you will know what to do in that case. Let's begin disassembling the Xbox. Turn over the game console and remove the two stickers on the back panel. Below these stickers are two screws that hold the back cover. Using a plastic tool, pry up the back cover at the bottom of the game console housing. Use a Torx T8 screwdriver to remove the three screws securing the fan. Remove the fan by lifting it up. Now you need two tweezers to remove the base cover. The base cover is held by the inner lock. To open it, slide and hold the plastic latch inside the case. At the same time, insert sharp tweezers into the special hole in the bottom cover and turn it counterclockwise. Disconnect the two cables and lift up the optical drive. Now disconnect these two ribbon cables. Gently open the metal lock and lift up the ribbon cable. The second ribbon cable is disconnected in another way. Press on the metal lock and pull up the ribbon cable. Slide the chassis to the right and lift up. Grip the board and pull it up directly away from the chassis to disconnect it. Disconnect the 10-pin power connector from the board. The connector has a locking tab. By pressing the latch, you can lift up the connector. Disconnect the 2-pin power connector in the same way. You can now remove the power supply. A new replacement power supply for the Xbox Series X can be bought using this part number. Also, in the description, I left a link where you can buy a new power supply for the Xbox Series X. That's all. Xbox Series X is assembled and ready to use. I really appreciate you watching my video guide. If you have any questions, please leave them below. You were on How Fix It, and see you guys next time.